Right. Hi students. So now I am going to explain you how to log in CIPM Microsoft Team and CIPM LMS and how to join to the virtual classroom and LMS access. Right. So first you all need to go to any of your browser. Any browsers you can use. Google Chrome, Edge, Firefox, anything. So usually I am going to access through the Google Chrome. So first I am going to CIPM website, cipmlk.org. Once you click CIPM website, here you can see LMS option there. So click LMS. Once you click LMS, here you can see it's asking student login new LMS. You all are very lucky. You all are going to access the CIPM new learning management system. So your area you need to go to student login new LMS. So anyway, you all receive the student email ID from course coordinators. They already emailed you, CIPM student email ID and password, So then you don't need to register or nothing. Once you receive the student email ID credentials, what you do? You need to click here, student login new LMS. So now I am going to click it. Here you can see it's asking, here is appearing to the CIPM learning management system, So you can even not only you don't need to go through the CIPM website. What you can do, you can go to the direct URL lms.cipmlk.org also, So here you can see this is our learning management system. Here you can see it's asking CIPM email account on, email account. This is for your student email ID you need to apply here. So before going to click, you need to read acceptable usage policy also, So now I am going to click CIPM Sri Lanka email account, Once you click, it's asking, your student email ID. So now I am going to apply the student email ID. Okay. Again apply. Fully type the student email ID. Okay. Then yes, cipm.edu.lk. You can easy to remember. First one is your NIC number at cipm.edu.lk. Okay. Click next. Then I am going to apply the password. Okay. Click sign in. So now it's asking whether yes or no. If your own computer, you can click yes. If that is not your own computer, you can click no. So I'm going to click no button. So now it's going to redirect into the CIPM LMS. Once you click, here you can see here you can see this is for the learning management system portal, your student learning management portal. If you go to the my dashboard, here you can see all the information. Anyway, when you are joined to the inauguration time, I will explain to you what are the features and everything. If you click my program, you can see your course, your batch number, past paper, everything there. You can click and access. Anyway, in deeply you can see through the when you are joined to the inauguration time. So other one, student affairs and my documents. So first I am going to, here you can see under Microsoft, this area, here you can see your email also here there. If you click email, here also you can directly access the email. That option also there. So this is earlier one account there, that's automatically redirecting. Here you can see Microsoft Team. So here you can click Microsoft Team. When you click the Microsoft Teams, it's going to ask you whether you are going to use through the web base or you can download and you can join also. That particular time asking from which account. So I am going to click my student email ID account. So you also can apply your student email ID and password if asking. After that, here asking, this is a very important, through the Windows app, you are going through the web based one. So here is join through the web app. You can choice, you are going to access through the website or you can download the MS Team and you can access. Initially when you log in time, it's asking click next. This is initial introduction. You don't need to worry. If you not like, you can close it also. So now this is you log in through the web base. If you need to download the MS Team software, MS Team Simol app, here you can see, if you click this download option, you can straight away download Teams Windows 1. You can access Mac version, right? Even the mobile app also you can use. If you are Android, you need to go to Play Store and you need to download it, right? So if you have the iPhone, you need to go to Apple Store and you can download it, right? So if you have the MacBook, you can go and download it, right, from the Google Chrome. Anyway, I will show you later how to do, right? So here what you do, you can click download, then right, MS Team app is going to download. It's a small capacities, right? Downloading software 120 MB, right? Depending on the internet connection, you are quickly going to app, right? So before going through the login through the app, if you log in through the web base, right, here you can see first you need to go to Teams. If you click Teams, here you can see your batch there, right? So then you need to click your batch. Once you click your batch, right, here you can see, right, post option there. Go to post. If you click post, here you can see all the lecture schedule there, right? So once you click, if you can check, right, here these are the previous schedule, that's why it's appearing. So anyway, the inauguration time they clearly mention, right? Even once you get the credential and they add you under the particular batch, right, you can automatically see, right, your batch code and inauguration there, very easy. Like similarly all the lectures also appearing. So first what you need to do, you need to go to Teams, select your batch code, right? Once you click the team, you can see your batch code, click your batch code, right? Then go to post, right? Then you can see, right, your lecture schedule, everything there. So for an example, here you can see inauguration. Here clearly mentioned what is the day, what is the date, what is the time, right? Then what you do, yes, everything correct. Then only you need to click, right, that particular blue color ribbon, right? Then after that, if you look at the right hand side, here you can see join button there. Then you need to click join. Once you click join, when you are going to access through the web base, here you is asking use your microphone, use your camera. So you need to click allow, right? Then only, right, it's going to allow you to access the, right, join to the virtual classroom. Here you can see, are you don't want audio video, like continue without audio video, or continue like that's asking, right, depend on your browser. If not, you can, right, if needed not, or here you can see to click ask to continue to allowing. That's the message he asking. Oh, always block camera, you need to allow, continue to click done, right? Then after if you refresh, right, it's going to automatically, right, you can join also, you need to click, right? Here you can see same time that particular app also downloaded, right? Anyway, I will come back to later that part, right? Now you can see again the join option there. If you click join, right, now you can see, right, particular inauguration there. Your video audio you can double check whether working or not. Audio you can check. After that you need to click join now button, right? Once you click join now button, right, now you are enrolling to the, right, now you are in the virtual classroom, right? Here you can on the video, right, on the video on off, right, mute unmute, everything there, right? If lecturer is asking the question, you need to, if you want any clarification, you can put a raise hand button, right? Then they will notify you, right? You have the chatting facility, you can chat, right? And you can see how many participants there, everything you can see, right? Any other very deep information I will explain to you in the inauguration time, right? So now I am going to close this one. So now I am going to show you, right, how to log in through the, right, Teams client app, right? So what you do, right, you need to go to Microsoft Teams, then you can download from there, or straight away you can go to google.lk. Other way, go to google.lk, you can type it MS Teams, right? If you click MS Teams, here you can see MS Teams downloads, right? Type it. Here you can see download Microsoft Teams there. So if you click, this is directly you can download from the Microsoft Team, right? He is going to ask you, right, what is operating system and everything here appearing, because it's already login, that's why he quickly appearing. Or, right, you can straight away go to here also Microsoft Team. I previously explained you, right? Once automatically log in the web base, here you can see the download option in down area there. You click here, automatically download. After that, what you do, you need to click. If you click that particular software, right, now you can see it's going to ask you to install, right? Very small software, not any major steps or anything, right? So I already installed anyway. I will show you the steps, right? So once you click that download software, it's going to, now you can see installing Microsoft Teams. Now it's going to installing, right? So now you can see the bar, right? The green color bar is going to full, right? Going to complete, right? Once installed, here going to ask you the, right, your username and password. That where, what is the username password? You need to apply your student email ID. So what you do, you need to click use another account to sign up. Yes, I click. It's going to ask you the, you need to apply the your student email ID what you receive from the coordinators. So I'm going to apply that username. Okay, then again apply, right? We'll double check whether my username is correct. Yes, at cipm.edu.lk. Then click next. Here also you can see authentication purpose, right? When you enter the correct username, you can see our CIPM logo come, right? If you receive the CIPM logo and background image, then you make sure your username is correct. So now I am going to apply the password. Okay, then click sign in. So now, right, it's going to log in the Microsoft Teams client app. It means this is a small software you can access from your computer. Now you know there are two ways you can access. One is web based, other one client based. That one is a small software download from the computer and you can access, right? So now you can see that Microsoft Teams is open, right? Same thing what I explained to you in the web based, similar thing. Once you log in, you need to double check whether you log in through the CIPM credentials or not, right? With the NIC number, you add cipm.edu.lk. Same way you can see the index number also, right? So after that, what you do, you go to Teams. Once you click the team, you can see your batch code. So you need to click your batch code. Once you click your batch code, right, then you need to go to post. Here you can see, if you go to post, you can see all the lecture schedules, everything there, right? Before you are going to click, for an example, you are going to, you all receive the credential. Now you are going to the inauguration. Check, they will clearly mention inauguration, what is the date, what is the time, everything. Here you can see another lectures there, what is the lecture session, what is the date, time, right? You need to check from the LMS your timetable, right? Based on the timetable, you need to select the correct session. Very important. Before going to click this blue color button, this lecture schedule, double check whether date, time, session all are correct. Then only you need to click and join. Very important, right? So then you don't need to ask to your coordinators, can you send the joining link or nothing, right? So that is the purpose we prepare the video also, right? Once first you need to apply, download a particular app or web based or like that. Then it's asking the credential. You need to apply CIPM student email ID credential. Then you need, once you log in, you go to the Teams. Once you click the team, you need to select your batch code. Then go to the post. Yes. Then you can see the lecture schedule there. Check your calendar or lecture timetable. Based on that one, you need to select the correct lectures. So let's say I'm going to join to the inauguration. Click date, time, yes, everything correct. Click it, blue color button. After that, right, here you can see, if you look at the right hand side, here you can see join button there. So click join. So once you click join, here you can see another interface going to open. When you are going to log in through the client app, small different, right? Another interface going to open. Here you can see, right? You can on the camera and check whether your camera is working or not, right? You can double check, right? If not, you can close it if you not like, right? Computer audio, yes, click. You need to unmute, you can mute it, or unmute it, you can enable, yes, up to you, right? Then click join now, right? So generally when you all join the class, right, all the students, you all need to switch off your camera and mute your microphone, right? So anyway, lecturers, they will hide you. What are things you all need to do, depend on the subject, different, right? Rules and regulations, right? So now you can see, now you are joined to the class, right? So waiting for others join me, others also, they are going to join with you, right? Here you can see participants. If you need to chat, if you have any question, you can chat with lecturer. If you have any question, you need to ask verbally, you can put a raise hand button. There are so many symbols there, you can check. If you need to on the video, you can click the video, right? If you need to unmute it, you can click unmute, right? Everything you can do. Anyway, in deeply I will explain you into the, right, inauguration time, right? So once the class finish, right, so you need to click leave, then you are, right, leave from that particular session. So after that you can close it also. Okay, so now you all have the clear idea about how to log in the MS Teams how to access the LMS also, right? Okay, then once everything finished, right, if you need to sign out, you can click here, then you can sign out also. Okay, hope you all have clear idea. Anyway, I will explain to you all in the inauguration time also, right? Thank you so much.